हेलो गाइस, तो कैसे हो आप? ठीक हो? सो दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल zoo you can see. So I am going to the other hand for eating some food, my beautiful chicks. So you're going, and there is very amazing, mind-blowing area. Yeah, this is amazing. So this is a mind areas. It's very beautiful. It's very amazing. So this is all is here and some eating the food. Yeah, this is a beautiful. This is eating some food now. So I am here. So eating. Yeah, all chicks here is beautiful. So you can see this is a very beautiful. This is a